Hippocampus, the brain's memory center that shapes learning and identity. Why do you remember your childhood home but forget what you ate yesterday? Why do some experiences stay vivid for life while others fade quickly? The answer lies in a powerful brain structure called the hippocampus. In this video, we will explain the hippocampus in simple language, using clear examples so anyone can understand how memory, learning, and even identity are formed. What is the hippocampus? The hippocampus is a small, curved structure located deep inside the brain on both sides. You have two hippocampi in each hemisphere. Think of the hippocampus as the brain's memory organizer. It decides what information is stored, where it is stored, and how it can be recalled later. Why the hippocampus is so important. The hippocampus plays a key role in forming new memories, learning new information, understanding time and sequence, navigation and spatial awareness, connecting experiences with meaning. Without it, learning becomes extremely difficult. Hippocampus and memory formation. Not all memories are treated equally. The hippocampus decides which moments are important enough to keep. It converts short-term memories into long-term memories. That's why repetition and focus improve memory. Hippocampus and learning. Every time you learn a new skill or idea, the hippocampus is active. It helps store facts, learn languages, remember names and places, understand cause and effect. Learning strengthens neural connections inside the structure. Hippocampus and emotional memory. The hippocampus works closely with the amygdala. Emotion gives memory its strength. That's why emotional experiences are remembered more clearly. Fear, joy, or surprise make memories stick. Hippocampus and identity. Your memories shape who you are. The hippocampus helps build your personal story. Without memory, identity fades. This shows how deeply memory is connected to self-awareness. Hippocampus and stress. Chronic stress harms the hippocampus. High stress hormones reduce memory formation. This is why anxiety affects learning and recall. A calm mind remembers better. Hippocampus and mental health. Problems in the hippocampus are linked to depression, PTSD, Alzheimer's disease, and memory disorders. Protecting this area supports long-term brain health. What weakens the hippocampus? Some habits damage memory over time. Lack of sleep, chronic stress, poor diet, lack of mental stimulation, constant multitasking. Memory requires rest and focus. How to strengthen the hippocampus? Good news, the hippocampus is adaptable. You can strengthen it by learning new skills, reading and studying, physical exercise, quality sleep, and mindfulness and meditation. A stimulated brain is a healthy brain. Hippocampus and daily life. Every conversation, lesson, and experience passes through the hippocampus. It silently shapes learning, recall, and understanding. Improving memory improves life quality. Final message. Your memories are not just records of the past. They're the foundation of learning, growth, and identity. When you care for your hippocampus, you protect your ability to learn and remember. Welcome to Psycacademy, where psychology helps you understand how your mind stores life.